Hello everyone, welcome to IS Darshana. I hope you all are doing very well. So without wasting any of our time, let's move to the topics of the day. Today's topic is National Zoological Park, New Delhi celebrates World Wildlife Day 2026. The National Zoological Park celebrated World Wildlife Day 2026 with great enthusiasm by organizing a marathon and tug of war competition within the zoo premises. The marathon was organized under the inspiring motto Each Step Towards Wildlife Conservation, encouraging participants to dedicate every stride to the protection and preservation of nature. In the morning, over 200 staff and workers participated in the event, showcasing remarkable energy, unity, and commitment toward wildlife conservation. The marathon route passed through the key areas of the park, symbolizing harmony between fitness and the natural world. On the other hand, the tug of war competition reflected teamwork and collective strength, aiming to spread awareness about the importance of protecting wildlife and preserving biodiversity for future generations. On this special occasion, 110 students from CRPF Montessori School were invited to get awareness about wildlife. A guided educational tour was arranged for them, during which they were informed about different species of animals, their habitats, and the ongoing conservation efforts undertaken by the zoo authorities. The tour provided students with an opportunity to connect closely with nature and understand the significance of wildlife in maintaining ecological balance. Along with the experts and zoo educators, the director of the zoo also addressed the students, explaining the vital role wildlife plays in our day-to-day life. From maintaining food chains and pollination to supporting medicinal plants and environment sustainability, the interactive sessions encouraged young minds to become responsible citizens and advocates for wildlife protection. In the spirit of World Wildlife Day and Unity, prize distribution ceremony was also organized. The event concluded with vibrant group photographs capturing memorable moments of celebration, unity, and commitment towards wildlife conservation. So the next topic for the day is India fully prepared amid evolving situation in the Middle East, energy supplies robust. Following the outbreak of hostilities in the Middle East and the evolving global energy situation, Sri Hardeep Singh Puri, Minister of Petroleum and Natural Gas, briefed the media on the country's preparedness in the current circumstances. It was informed that India is the third largest importer, fourth largest refiner, and the fifth largest exporter of petroleum products globally. The country is well stocked with crude oil and inventories of key petroleum products including petrol, diesel, and ATF to deal with short-term disruptions arising from the Middle East. It was further apprised that in the last few years, India has ensured both availability and affordability of energy for its pollution by diversifying its resources. Indian energy companies now have access to energy supplies that are not routed through the Strait of Hormuz. Such cargoes will remain available and help mitigate supplies that may be temporarily affected en route through the Strait of Hormuz. The ministry has established a 24/7 control room to continuously monitor the supply and stock position of petroleum products across the country. At present, the government is reasonably comfortable in terms of stocks. Safeguarding the interests of Indian consumers remains the highest priority. Based on continuous monitoring, the government is cautiously optimistic that phased measures can be taken if required to further mitigate the situation. So this is it for today. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, like, share and subscribe. Thank you. Have a very nice day.